Thank you, Olay and Chimable, for gifting me this product. I am currently doing my morning routine. I am using Olay Science Ultra Rich Cream. But before that, I used the Olay Regenerous Wrinkle Free Cream, which helps to erase the lines on your face. Following that, I used the Olay Science Ultra Rich Cream, which is a luxurious, rich cream that nourishes and hydrates your face and skin, which leaves it with a glow that lasts all day. And to top it off, it has a wonderful scent. I've used this for over a week now, and I can honestly say that my skin does feel better after using it. But, as I always state, if you have sensitive skin, please follow up with the right products. I cannot use this every day of the week, so I mix and match. You may be different. I hope that you have a good day. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.